under our feet. A world of wonder, so wild, so sweet. Follow the trail where the animals roam. Out here in the wild, we're never alone.